Sir, just a second, sir.
No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Sir, the slide is not coming in slide.
You're not able to go to the slide? Okay, it's I think opening up now.
Sir, you can see now, sir.
Yes, we can.
Social media. Pros is that we can keep contact with our family and friends. So, for example, our school friends or some relatives or friends who are abroad, we can't go every time to see them. So, with the help of social media such as WhatsApp, we can keep constant contact with them. But the con comes that if we see too much of social media, we can get addicted to it. If we post a video, sometimes we always see how many likes have come, how many people have seen it. Sometimes we can attend classes thanks to social media with the help of Teams, WhatsApp, and all. But also, it's very easy to cheat in exams. Students can put the answers in chats to one another, which is bad. We can learn new things through social media, but we may also get addicted to it. If we post a video, sometimes we always see how many likes have come, how many people have seen. This causes addiction, which causes eye problems. We can raise funds for charity, but also we have the threat of online friends. If we send a post, it will take some days to reach the other person. But with online, in seconds, it will go to the other person. But disadvantage is that we always use shortcuts for the real words. While typing a message, who would like to use the real words? They want to be who would like to use the real words? So instead of them, the long, lengthy words, we tend to use shortcuts. This may not be harmful, but over time, we think those shortcuts as the real words. I would like to thank my cousin for helping me to make this PowerPoint presentation and to gather the points. Thank you.
Okay, superb.
Thank you, sir.
Pranav Narasimhan, excellent.
Nice
presentation.
Okay. Mr. Vadrasan, I think there is somebody in the waiting room. If you could.
Waiting room, is it? I think you can admit that. I made you a post, huh?
Okay. Yeah, I've just admitted. Okay. Anyone else would like to do the presentation?
Sir, Neeraj. Sir, I'm
Neeraj.
Shruti.
Yeah, hi, Neeraj and Shruti. Probably we can start with Neeraj, then we'll go to Shruti.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Neeraj, you can go ahead.
Yes,
You're
sir.
watching.
So 1 minute. I'm
Yes,
just sharing
sure. Take your
something.
time. Yeah, take your time.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, Neeraj, we can.
Social media, pros and cons by Neeraj Kumar. What is social media? Social networking sites spread information faster than any other media. Social networking sites allow people to improve their relationship and make new friends. 70% of adult social networking sites visit to connect friends and family, and increase online communication strengthens relationship. UGS stands for user generated content. By definition, user generated content, any form of content, text, post, image, video, or review, etc., created by individual people and published to an online or social network. Some of the most popular social media websites with over 100 million registered users include Facebook, TikTok, WeChat, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Depending on interpretation, other popular platforms are sometimes referred to as social media services. YouTube, Quora, Telegram, WhatsApp, Signal, Snapchat, Pinterest, Viber, etc. The second picture down below is the percentage of users by past 4 years, that is 2018 to 2021. In 2018, 77% of people were using social networks, with over 70% of USA population holding a social media account. These platform and services have been some of the most popular online activities. By 2019, 79% of people started using this platform more than last year. By 2020, 80% of people started using. The present year, 85% of people started using, which is almost 237 million people. Pros, advantage. Social media helps the users to connect with friends and relatives. Suppose your friend or relatives in abroad, so we can't meet him or her. So we use social media to connect with people. Social media makes for speedy communication. Example, you want to inform that you are busy, so you can post in a group and no need to inform individually. Social media has made it easier to make friends and interact with them. Now, made it easy by text and Facebook messages that will allow the friend to inform you that they are available. Social media makes the world so small that suppose your friend or relative is in USA and you want to tell some information, so it is easy to text the message and send information. So with social media, we can connect anyone in the world. Social media allows the user to travel the news faster. This is nothing but we get information in a text, video, or image, and we share it to our friends and families, and so on. This platform helps you to share information among yourself who are the same interest of yours. Cons, disadvantage. People use social media to post the content they like, but they also use to share the experience they didn't like. But the people watching your post and comments are not comfortable. They might reply back negatively. It will open up the potential for embarrassment. It is easy for the post to go viral in social media. People keep a close eye on the good and bad on social media. If you aren't careful about the content you post, you can end up in embarrassment and getting caught in awkward situation. Computer reliance could hurt a person's ability to have a face-to-face conversation by making it awkward and unusual to hear something and respond it with a thoughtful message through the spoken words, because one depends on a keyboard and to convey messages. The new social active era causes laziness because instead of running to your friends, you can message them, or instead walking up upstairs to notify family of dinner, I can blog it. Social networking makes life so convenient that it creates laziness. Texting, Facebook, Twitter, and Gmail, etc., reduces the time spending with family. When a family is spending family time together and watching a movie, in reality, people who has their phone out are not rather actually watching the movie with their family. When a user have the phone out, it makes them feel nothing else is going around them. When people are using social media as way to feel popular, important, and also just to fit in, few people are wondering who has the more Facebook friends or Twitter followers, but really ends up happening in we begin to talk less and end up replying on text for conversation. Ever since people got a smartphone, they have been distracted from everything. They watch television less, do homework less, and even spend less time with their family and friends. Thank you all for watching this wonderful assembly, wonderful PPT, and spending my time. Thank you once again.
Wonderful, Neeraj. That was really nice. You have made a good PPT, and your content was also very, it was very informative. Okay, great. So I think there was another girl who
Sir,
was
I'm
ready.
Shruti.
Shruti. Yes, Shruti. Would you like to
Yes,
begin?
sir. Yes, sir. I'll share my screen.
Sure.
Sir,
Yes.
can I go after her?
Yeah. Who's that?
Samir.
Samed. Okay, Samed. I think Samed and Kriti has also requested. So next,
Yes,
what we'll
sir.
do is,
Sir,
yeah.
can I go after Samir?
Who's that? Who spoke just
Samrud.
now?
Samrud.
Samrud. Okay, okay, done. So we'll go in that way. No, we'll be having this for everyone. So don't worry about that. So I think who's who Shruti has
Sir, can I start
shared?
sharing?
Yes, Shruti, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shruti. Please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shruti, and today I'll be talking about the influence of social media. Introduction. In today's rushed world, many do not get time to write down letters to others in order to communicate to them. For this, many social media platforms have been created, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc., to communicate to others through our devices. Social media are interactive technologies that allow the creation or sharing or exchange of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communities and networks. By using these platforms, one can convey his or her messages to a person, a specific group of people, or even the public. One must use this properly to get the most advantage out of it. There are many pros and cons while using social media. Advantages of using social media. One can educate him or herself. It helps convey messages faster. You can reach a larger audience and use this feature to convey messages or even spread awareness about something. One may start his or her own business and grow it using these platforms. It helps you connect to people who don't live near you. Disadvantages. It can lead to the spreading of misinformation. One's privacy can be invaded. There are more chances of cyberbullying, and offensive posts can harm others mentally. Thank you.
Okay, great, Shruti. You kept it small, short and simple, but still it was quite informative. Okay, so we'll go to next. I think it was Samrud. I think even Kriti is ready. Let's do one thing. We'll start with Samrud, then next we'll go to Kriti, followed
Sir, it
by
was
Samed.
Sir,
Samrud or Samed? Who would like to
after
go?
Samir, it's me.
Okay, we'll have it that way. Who's going to go now? Samed, is it?
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
So, the pros of social media. Social media can be fun, uh, but the cons is that social media is also addictive at the same time. Social media provides job opportunities to people, uh, but the disadvantage is that social media can be a source of distraction. Social media can be a source of information. It can provide us with news and tell us what is happening in the world, but it can also lead to the spread of fake news. And social media can be used for advertising products by companies. Uh, uh, but the disadvantage is that social media can reduce social skills, as like humans should actually interact with people face to face, but it reduces your skills when you talk in through social media. Social media helps to find people with a similar interests, but it also leads to the leak of private information. uh, and social media can cause eyesight and hearing problems. Thank you.
Right, Samit. So next we'll have, I think Samrud did it just now,
Yes.
right?
No,
Samrud. Okay, now we'll have
Samir did it.
Samir.
Samir
uh-huh.
did it.
Samit did it. Okay, now we'll have Samrud
Is stuck. I don't think he'll be able to do that either.
leave the meeting. Okay, I think, yeah,
Okay.
Kirti, your screen has
Kirti's
come up now.
screen has come.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Influence of social media.
Okay, very good.
Social media are interactive technologies that allow the creation or sharing, exchange of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communities and networks. Pros. You explore new opportunities on social media. You can learn new things and you can also get popular. You can start earning money from things you do. You can build your own brand. You can create content that is useful to people and can help them grow. You receive feedback and get to know your mistakes and where you can improve, and you can also help other people improve. Cons. Some people become the target of cyberbully and online cyber harassment. We might lack emotional content, causes distractions. Some people might use social media for wrong reasons. People might do wrong things in the pressure of social media, and some people can receive negative feedback and take it to heart. Thank you.
That's true. Nice, Kirti. You kept it short and simple, but it was good. Okay. Now, do we have anyone else who's ready?
Yes, sir. Can I share my screen? Rajeshwari.
Who? Rajeshwari. Yes, go ahead, Rajeshwari.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, it's
Yes.
visible.
Good morning to one all present here. My name is Rajeshwari and I'll be presenting you a PPT on the pros and cons of social media. Pros, it encourages creativity, educates people, it spreads awareness and brings a lot of culture together. The cons are it destroys your self-esteem, it creates dissatisfaction with yourself, cyberbullying, and creates unrealistic expectations. YouTube, easy to create and publish videos, popularity of video content, targeted viewership. Cons, video attracts negative comments, time-consuming rules, annoying ads. In Instagram, pros, lots of categories, easy to find your niche, easy to reach audience through hashtags, effective promotion, more appealing interface. And cons, hard to find the right font, creates fake life, unable to post a simple status to your feed as you have to post it with a picture. Thank you.
Right, Rajeshwari. So that was nice and that was quite technical as well. So good job.
Sir,
Anyone
actually,
else?
Samrud is in the waiting room.
Samrud is in the waiting room? No, I don't see it. One second, just hold on. Okay, Samrud is back. I'm admitting him.
Is my screen unshared?
No, it's still being shared, Rajeshwari. If you could take it off.
It's not happening, sir.
It's not happening. Don't worry, don't worry. We'll get. I think if someone else shares, I think probably it will just be overshadowed. So Samruddh, are you back?
Sir, he got disconnected again. Sir,
He
he's
got
going.
disconnected again. I'm trying
So
to
now,
get him. Now he's okay. Samed, your screen is.
sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead, Samruddh. Okay, so we have the last 10 minutes. So Samruddh, if you could start off.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Go ahead, open your tool.
Social media, pros and cons of social media. Pros, social media can be a source of income. Like if you are a YouTuber, you can get money from that. Social media is a marketing platform. Like some companies can show their advertisements on social media. Social media is a good way of communication. You can communicate through social media in different social media platforms. Social media can be used to share many ideas and information. Social media can be used to share news, and we can see the latest news on social media. Social media can help in the economic growth of a country. As people get income from social media, it helps in the economic growth of a country. Cons of social media. Social media causes addiction and euphoria. Like it causes addiction, and some people keep looking how many likes they got on a photo or something. Social media can cause mental health issues like depression, and can also lead to suicide. Social media, if they do not get the uh, likes, they will go to depression and can also lead to suicide. Social media can cause addiction to harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and etc. So when they are in depression, they can cause addiction to harmful substances like alcohol. Social media causes cyberbullying. Like when you're on social media, there's a chance of cyberbullying. Social media can also cause cyber fraud. Social media can like take your money out. They can leak your private information. Social media can make your private information public. So if your account is not private, social media can make your private information public.
That's true.
Thank you, sir.
Great, Samruddh. Wonderful. Okay, do we have someone else who's ready? Okay, no worries. So we did, we saw about 6 to 7. Samruddh, you're on the screen right now. Could you get off the screen? Yes.
Aditya,
Yeah.
do we continue for the second session? If it is
Well,
we'll reschedule.
No, I'll just take another 5 minutes. I think we have about 5-6 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll anyway. I don't think we have any more participant to show their slide. So what we'll do for now, I'll take about 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'll explain, a few points that we might need, and then we'll wind up for the day.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So great. So we had Sumed and Samruddh, Kirti, Neeraj, Rajeshwari, and a few others who have put across their PPTs. The ones who have not, probably you could come get prepared for the next week, so that you could get your opportunity. And simple, see, here we are not looking at the content or rather the PPT that you're being presenting. It's more about how you are presenting the particular content is what we are looking for, so that we could know that where you stand, and how exactly you present your topic is what we are looking at. Okay, so now we have uh, we have discussed on most of the topics which all of you have mentioned. Okay, now what I'll do is probably just take up a couple of points that I felt were necessary. That what are the advantages and disadvantages of social media, right? So I think, like we all discussed, see, the uses of social media is, we could keep ourselves up to date, especially, with regarding to the news and whatever the current affairs are going on. We will get all the information on real time. And of course, there is fast and direct communication, we can have with anyone around the world, that is across the globe. If we need to get in touch with someone, we could do it within a fraction of a second. We don't need to wait for phones or emails. You know that most people are online on say some either Facebook or WhatsApp or Snapchat, or we have so many social media tools. So it's very easy and quick to connect with all of them, right? We can educate ourselves. We get a lot of information. When we collect the right information, we could educate ourselves. And of course, there's also the aspect of building friendships. You can get in touch with your old friends, your new friends. Probably you can make new friends from any other country, from Germany, US, UK, everywhere, right? And of course, one of the major advantages of social media is the source of employment in these days. It's very important to have your LinkedIn profiles up to date. I'm sure you guys are pretty young right now, so you don't need to worry. But then as you go up, you could start building on your LinkedIn profiles right from your high school and college levels, right? So it could definitely help you in securing your jobs for the future, right? And some of the disadvantages of social media is definitely, one is, yes, there is too much misinformation that is available. So you need to know what is right and what is not right when it comes to information on social media. Okay. So, and the second one, which a couple of people spoke about, was cyberbullying. Now, what exactly is cyberbullying? Now, cyberbullying is basically, you don't know who's the face behind that particular profile picture. You just see some picture. In most of the cases, they are fake accounts, which could come and start abusing you when you post some of your content, especially when it comes to political views or religious views. So there are people who would come right to the point of abusing. So as much as possible, it's not, it's good that you don't get into political or religious conversations on social media platforms, right? And of course, there is also the aspect of spending too much time on the internet, or probably since Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat, they provide all sorts of information. So it could be blamed for loss of productivity, right? So these are some of the points which are usually we take into consideration when we access social media. Of course, like we all know, every aspect, there is a positive and negative. It's for us to take the positives out of social media and try to keep the negative aspects of it away, right? So I think we don't have much time. We just maybe about a minute or two away from that getting disconnected. So what we'll do is, for the next week, we will have the people who have not given the presentations this week. So we'll have them come up and give their presentations. So Mr. Vardhajan, if you could make a note of who has given this week, okay? And then so that we can plan up for the next week. And we will have another presentation made by the people who have done it this week, okay, on another topic. The topic I'll share on the WhatsApp group. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Excuse
wonderful.
me, sir.
Yes, who is it?
Sir, where can we access the recording of the class?
You want to have the recording of the class?
Sir, I
Mr.
just want to
Vardhajan?
make a
Yeah.
note of
I think we can share it. No problem.
Yes,
Okay.
Pranav. So that will
I
be
think
sent to
that's
you, and
what
also
Probably
yes.
if it turns out to be very good, we can even put it on the YouTube also. because your presentation also was quite effective. Let's see. If it
Yeah,
is
you can share it. You can share it personally with Pranav, and I think Pranav had asked for the video that I had prepared last week. I'll share that
okay.
also with you with a little bit of editing that needs to be done.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll send it across to you on your personal window, Pranav. Okay, on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
our group we can share so that anybody.
Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, perfect. We'll do that. Okay, I'll have the video and this link also, posted so that you could probably have a look at